Hello and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network once again, and we continue to take a look on what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. We have seen a stampede of people who want to be part and parcel of the new political movement which is coming in the nation of Zimbabwe. Whether you like it or not, President Nelson Chamisa is going to come back, and there has been a lot of stampede. What we have seen, there was a decampaigning mechanism which was being led and spearheaded by Apostle Chiwenga, Hopo Chingono, and others. We have seen them on social media doing their best to decampaign President Nelson Chamisa because their favorite candidate is also desperately wanting to launch a political movement again. So it's a matter of trying to find relevance. So this is very, very important because we have seen people like Charlton Wende, they have restarted again to realign themselves with President Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So we are not here to say they are not supposed to say whatever which they want or what they believe in, but we are here to look at what they have said, and then we look at their behavior and character and what they've done in the past. Charlton says the formation of a new political movement in Zimbabwe must be a broad-based initiative involving consultations with women, students, workers, civic society groups, farmers and vendors, and ordinary villagers. They must be asked on the Zimbabwe they want and the values that that must inform the struggle for a new Zimbabwe. This is what President Tsvangirai taught us. The people must be at the center. So when we look at the statement, the last statement, the people must be at the center. That is the slogan of President Nelson Chamisa. He's running a citizenocratic movement where people are always at the center of everything, especially at the center of decision making. So the question which we have is Charlton Wende saying this so that it becomes part and parcel of what President Nelson Chamisa is working on, or is Charlton Wende doing this so as to create a smoother pathway for job seeker? So that those are very important questions which we have right here, and time will confirm either way. We will confirm what is the objective and what is the agenda when the time is right. But what we need to understand is there has been a deliberate objective to silence President Nelson Chamisa from critical people, from people he once worked with, people like Hopo Chingono, other people like Apostle T.F. Chiwenga. You could see other people who work with Tendai Biti. We've seen also they've been on the rampage of trying to discredit Nelson Chamisa. We have seen various and different groups of people on the neck of President Nelson Chamisa, left, right, and center, all in the name of trying to discredit him. So when there is in parliament, he belongs to Triple C, and he is calling for another political movement. The question is, why are you not, why are you not focusing on Triple C alone? Why are you double dipping? Why are you running around? Sometimes when somebody lacks principles, he joins this party, he joins that party, he becomes part of that movement, he becomes part of that, all in the name of trying to be everywhere and becoming influential in everything. That is what is happening with Charlton. So the biggest question we have is, why is he running around President Advocate Nelson Chamisa? At the same time also, why is he running around Job Sikala as well, when he also belongs to a political party called Triple C, led by Chalangu, who is their boss in parliament? And that is very important. So this is what is happening. Charlton Wende is desperate to be part and parcel of a new movement. And the identity of this new movement is yet or is still vague, because when you go to President Nelson Chamisa, he's still running around. You go to Job Sikala, he's also trying to establish himself there. Where does he actually stand? So we need principled people, we need principled politicians, and I believe that we have had unprincipled people. Then let us address the issue of Morgan Tsvangirai. Morgan Tsvangirai came and is no longer with us. So there are values and principles which he taught, but I don't think that the people we now have, those people, they do not understand what needs to happen, especially when you are looking at President Nelson Chamisa. He's not a man who should be focused much on someone's legacy. He's a man who must be focused much on the future. He's focused much on what must happen going forward. And I believe that is the direction which you eventually take, and that will be the guide. So this is what is happening. This is what Charlton Wende is advocating for. The biggest question is he trying to be around President Chamisa or Job Sikala?